Tree, Constant Spring, Back Road, Donny Park, Ashoka Road, anywhere you want go, anywhere you want go. Anywhere you want go.
My youth, I kind of get people alright.
Alright, me again. You know, say me on now work, so me have to do what me have to do for so. Anyway, you want to ride, boss man?
Yeah, man, tell me on the road there.
Come in.
You go off a tree?
Yeah, man, me I go off a tree. You want one ride?
Alright, yeah.
Alright, come in. Put them in my back, mummy.
What you say?
Your back then, put them in my back. Alright.
Oh, alright, thank you.
Come in. Watch a girl there. Hey, my girl, you don't want one ride?
Oh, yeah, take me back then.
Oh, so you going like you don't hear me? You don't hear what style like say? Me love my fatty. Alright then, go on like you don't hear me. Do your thing.
Move from your man, sure.
Alright then.